What you want to learn?
Python.
Which are the other technology do you know?
AWS. That's all.
That's all?
Yeah. Huh?
ML?
M for Martin, L for learning.
And,
Martin learning.
and what you open in the Eclipse? Which code?
Class.
Class.
Yeah.
Not Java? So no. So why you want to learn Python?
Because you don't know.
Oh, I do. That's why you want to learn it.
Yeah.
Okay, but first you have to learn English without.
Papa, please.
You are just in UKG.
Please.
Okay. So you want to learn the first code?
Yeah. No copy paste.
Go back. I'm taking video. No copy paste.
Yeah.
So you want to write the code yourself?
Yeah, but Toto help you.
I will also help you. Okay. You don't want to learn Java?
No.
Why?
Because you didn't learn that.
But I do know Java.
Yeah. I don't want to know. I want to know Python.
Oh, you want to learn the Python?
Yes.
Okay. Which?
Stop the video already.
Okay, just a minute. Which class you are right now?
UKG.
UKG. And which school?
NCSC.
NCFE. Does teacher teach you Python?
No, you must click on you.
Oh, I should teach you.
Yeah.
Okay. Which is this laptop?
No, iMac.
Is this iMac?
Yeah.
Whether you are comfortable to write the code in iPad, in iMac or the MacBook or the office laptop?
iMac.
iMac.
Yeah.
Okay. So let us start today Python code. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But first you have to learn English.
No.
No. Okay.
No.
So without knowing the English, you want to learn Python?
Yeah.
Good. So you want to learn machine learning, right? So
Not machine learning, Python.
you want to learn Python only.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Okay.